Hi, in this video we'll learn how to find the vertex of a parabola. So the function is given to you, which is x squared plus 10x plus 21. This is in the form of this is the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. So a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So let's identify a, b, and c first. Well, we don't need the c, but still we're going to write that down. So here a is equal to a is coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared here is a 1. B is the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x in this equation is 10. And c is the constant term, which is 21. So a is 1, B is 10, and C is 21. Now we have got A, B, C's value. Now what we have to do is, for finding the vertex of the parabola, we have this equation. X is equal to negative B over 2A. So we just have to plug in the value of A, B in this formula to get the x coordinate of the vertex of the quadratic equation. So x is equal to negative b over 2a. That means we will just get the x value of the vertex, but we still have to find out the y value. We still have to find the y coordinate of the vertex. So here, let's plug in the values. B is 10, but since this is negative b, so this will be negative, and then b is 10. Over 2, a is 1, so I'll write 2 times 1. So this is going to be negative 10. 2 times 1 is going to be 2, and negative 2 divided by 10 will be negative 5. So x is equal to negative 5. Now I've got the x coordinate of the vertex. Now to find the y coordinate of the vertex, I simply have to substitute this value into my original equation to get the y coordinate. So here, I'll just substitute x equals negative 5 into my original equation to get the y coordinate. Let's do that. So here I have, let's write the function again. F of x is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 21. So I will plug in the value, this value, x equals negative 5 into this equation. I will write f of, since we need to replace x with 5. This is going to be negative 5 is equal to, in place of x, I'll substitute negative 5. So this is going to be negative 5 squared plus 10 times x is going to be negative 5. So I'll substitute negative 5 here. Then I have plus 21. Now let's solve this. So this will be f of negative 5 is equal to negative 5 squared is going to be negative 5 times negative 5, which is positive 25. So this will be positive 25. And then 10 times negative 5 is going to be negative 50. So negative 50. So I can write here plus negative 50. I don't want to write two signs together next to each other. That's why I like to put that inside the parentheses. And then this is plus 21. Now this is going to be f of negative 5 is equal to 25 plus, this is, you can just assume that this is 1 outside. So positive plus positive 1 times negative 50 is going to be negative 50 plus 21 and 25 minus 50. So let's follow the rule for order of operations. We have to move from left to right. So we're going to subtract first. 25 minus 50 is going to be negative 25. And then I have plus 21 here. And I still have f of negative 5 here. Again, I'm writing f of negative 5 is equal to negative 25 plus 21 is going to be negative 4. So I have got the y coordinate of the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex is negative 5. And since we write the vertex in this way, x comma y, we always write the ordered pair in this way. We write the x coordinate first and then the y coordinate. And just simply to show you that vertex is written in the form. Vertex is always written in this form. Negative b over 2a, because negative b over 2a is your x coordinate of the vertex, and we got that x is equal to negative b over 2a. So I just replaced x with negative b over 2a. And for finding the y, what we did is we just plug in the value of x in our function again. So I can write this as f of negative b over 2a, because negative b over 2a is nothing but x. So I can write that vertex is of the form of this, negative b over 2a, comma, f of negative b over 2a. That's how you write it. Now, x and y, just writing the values of x coordinate and the y coordinate, I know that x is negative 5 here, and y is negative 4 here. So this is my vertex, negative 5, comma, negative 4. Now, I want to show you how to find the equation for the axis of symmetry. So always remember that axis of symmetry of a parabola is the line through the parabola about which the parabola is symmetric. That means the axis of symmetry goes through the vertex, and it's nothing but x coordinate of the vertex. Axis of symmetry is just the x coordinate of the vertex. So if I'm asked to write the equation of axis of symmetry, I will write x equals negative 5. This is my axis of symmetry, and we also call that AOS, axis of symmetry. So remember, axis of symmetry is nothing but the x value of the vertex. So you just write this as x is equal to negative 5. And axis of symmetry for parabola is the line through which the parabola is symmetric. So this is how you find the vertex of a quadratic equation and also the axis of symmetry. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.